As you close your eyes tonight, beloved, let your weary soul find its home in God's embrace. I see you there, carrying the weight of today, the mistakes that echo in your mind, the shame that whispers lies about who you are. But tonight, we're going to let David's ancient prayer from Psalm chapter 51 wash over you like healing rain, cleansing every stain, preparing your heart for the transformation that comes with dawn. Father, I bring this precious soul before your throne tonight. As they rest their head upon their pillow, let your mercy be the blanket that covers them. You who said in Psalm chapter 91 that whoever dwells in the shelter of the Most High will rest in the shadow of the Almighty. Let this be their dwelling place tonight. As sleep begins to claim your body, feel the angels of the Lord encamping around you. He will command his angels concerning you to guard you in all your ways. No weapon formed against you in the night watches shall prosper. No fear can touch you here. No anxiety can breach this sacred space where mercy meets your deepest need. Let me pray David's heart cry over you now. Create in me a clean heart, O God, and renew a steadfast spirit within me. As your breathing slows, as your muscles release the tension of today, God is doing his gentle work of recreation within you. Every breath you take is breathing in his forgiveness. Every exhale releases the guilt you've carried too long. The Lord your God is with you, beloved. Psalm chapter 121 reminds us, He who watches over you will not slumber. He will watch over your coming and going, both now and forevermore. As you surrender to sleep, he remains awake, guarding your heart, guarding your dreams, guarding your tomorrow. Your shepherd is leading you beside still waters tonight. Even in the valley of the shadow of regret, even when past failures seem to surround you like darkness, you need not fear. His rod and his staff, they comfort you. He prepares a table of mercy before you. He anoints your head with the oil of his acceptance. Your cup overflows with grace upon grace. I pray for healing sleep to wash over you now, Father. Let every cell in their body be renewed. Let every broken place in their heart be mended by your gentle touch. May their dreams be filled with visions of hope, with glimpses of the new creation you're making them to be. Let them wake not with condemnation, but with the joy of knowing they are fearfully and wonderfully made, forgiven, beloved, transformed. The steadfast love of the Lord never ceases. His mercies never come to an end. They are new every morning, and when morning comes, you will rise as a new creation. The old has passed away in the night. Behold, all things have become new. Psalm chapter 4, verse 8 declares, In peace I will lie down and sleep, for you alone, Lord. Make me dwell in safety. This is your inheritance tonight. Perfect peace, divine safety, the assurance that you are held in hands that will never let you go. Rest now, beloved. God watches over you. Angels guard your sleep. Mercy covers every failure. And when you wake, you'll discover that the same God who turned David from a broken adulterer into a man after his own heart has been working that same transformation in you while you dreamed. You are safe. You are loved. You are being made new. Rest now.